News is coming in. HRD panel has recommended scrapping of the UGC University Grants Commission is a failure and must be scrapped. That's what the HRD panel has said. One of the first committees set up by HRD Minister Smriti Irani to review the workings of the University Grants Commission has said that the regulator not only has failed to fulfill its mandate, but has also been able to not been able to deal with emerging diverse complexities. Headed by former UGC Chairman Hari Gautam, the committee has said any reshaping or restructuring of the UGC will be a futile exercise and so will be amending the UGC Act. Therefore, it has recommended setting up of a National Higher Education Authority through an Act of Parliament. It has also prepared a draft of the bill but said that till the time such a body is set up, the HRD Ministry can bring about many changes through executive orders. Let's get an word from our Deputy Editor Atir Khan, who's with us on the phone line. Atir, this effectively is a long-term plan that has been recommended by the panel.
Well, that's right. The long-term strategy has been recommended, and it clearly says that the UGC has failed to meet the mandate and the challenges of diverse complexities which are emerging. However, at the same time, it is also recommended as a short-term measure that the Ministry of HRD should step in and take executive decisions and make changes as far as the PhD courses are concerned, appointments of vice chancellors, and introduction of yoga and meditational courses are concerned. So clearly now the HRD has also, we'll be learning from our sources, has taken these recommendations very seriously, and now we'll have to wait and watch what will be the HRD's next move in this direction.
Absolutely, and Atir, this is not the first time that demands of a new body are being heard. Earlier as well, we'd seen demands of a new body for higher education in medicine were at a time. These were made, of course, by the these were made by the Health Ministry after they had dissolved the Medical Council of India at one point.
Well, that's right. You see, with the emerging challenges and new demands in the higher education, there's this growing view that re-engineering needs to be done. However, in this case, the recommendations are quite, extreme in nature. It says that this UGC should be done away with, and a new body, National Education Authority, should be formed to take care of the growing demands.
Well, and of course, formation of the National Higher Education Authority would be a long-term plan. The panel, meanwhile, has suggested that the HRD Ministry can bring about immediate changes through executive orders. Atir, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you.